Hi, my name is Carly and I'm with the BYU Software Training Lab. In this video, we're going to be talking about the brush tool. The brush tool looks like a little paintbrush. You can also select it by using the keyboard shortcut B. It works a lot like the pencil tool, which we covered in our last video, where you draw a line and Illustrator creates a path along that line. The brush tool is a lot smoother than the pencil tool. You'll notice that after you finish drawing your lines, Illustrator will smooth them out a little bit. You can also change the color of your brush by changing the color of the stroke. I'm going to change my color to be a little bit easier to see. You're also able to change the type of brush you use. While on the brush tool, there's a drop-down menu in the Properties panel that shows you all of your brush options. You can adjust your brush based on what kind of style you're looking for. There are rounded brushes that have a pretty consistent width, as well as oval brushes that have a little more variety in the widths of the lines that you draw. You can change the size of your brush tool by using the bracket keys on your keyboard. The left bracket brings the size down, and the right bracket brings the size up. There are also a few different artistic brush styles that can also be found in the brush drop-down menu. There are even more brushes that can be found in the brush library, which is the book icon in the bottom of the brush panel. There are many different options based on what kind of style you're looking for. This style is a banner. Whatever line you draw while you have this style selected will show up as an orange banner. That is just a quick overview of the brush tool. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more, visit our YouTube page where you can find more videos about Illustrator as well as other software programs.